Welcome back to Traditional Home. Today I have a DIY and a very small haul. Thank you for being here. To all of the subscribers, thank you. And those who are visiting today, would you all consider to like, comment, and subscribe? You are more than welcome to be here at Traditional Home. Come with me as I decorate and show you how I made the picture over the mantle. I bought these pillows today from Roses. This is the first time that I've bought pillows from there that I really liked. They were $7.99 a piece. And they have all the luscious green and varying colors. The blues in different shades, background of cream, and the green almost looked like gold. Some of them did. So this is my small haul. One purchase, but I got 4 pillows. Now, let's decorate this side of the sofa. All right, these was on there from the other day when we did our. So that dark blue is here, so it can contrast with the pictures that I now have up. These were not up the last time. And then the baby blue, the sky blue, to bring out the colors in the pillow and the floors here. And as you will see, also in the picture. Then now let's add the pillow that I bought today. In that combination, just beautiful. And in the center, I just placed one. And over here, we have the 3. Again, here's the picture that hadn't been up since last summer. And it coordinates well with the pillows. On this side of the room, I had the dark blue pillows in this chair. I took it out and put this in, and it just looks great to me because, like I said, the brown in the chair, but look at the ones of the color here that looks like it's brown. So it all blends in together. And then I changed the shade on this picture. The lighting is dim here. Okay, now let me show you how I made my picture. Okay, I bought these from Roses also. There are some peel and stick wall tiles. And here's what the tile looks like. Since I am going to reuse this picture again, all I simply did was take the towels and all it took was 6. 8 came in the box for $10. Like I said, I got these from Roses. I had looked at them several times, but this time I said I'm going to buy them because they may not be there. Again, they only had, I think it was 2 packs. Trying to make it seamless as possible. And I can take this off and on and move it around as I want to. I wanted another picture. I used what we had in the stores in my area. And now have a new picture. And I'll show you where I will place it. Okay, here is the picture. Now let's finish decorating this area. Okay, here's the first picture. And the other one goes on this side. Some darker blue down here and on the other side. Now this one I use one of the towels, like here in the picture, to bring it down for the darker blue on this side. Then we'll lighten the blue up just a little. There's the other one. And now we don't want anything high or too high with flowers in full bloom, if you will, as not to take away from the picture. So here's what I will use. I will use this as the riser. To bring out some of the green. Let's just use this in the bowl. Now we have a simple mantle for summer or spring. Take you right on into the couple of weeks of September. Because the hotter it gets, the breathier we want it in our homes. Or at least I do. Thank you so much for being here today. If you like the pillars, how I did the trifactor with the solid blue, the light blue, and then the different shades of blue and green with the white background on the pillow. They are corresponds with the pictures that I put back up from last year. And then my simple DIY. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video. Thank you and blessings. Here's another angle. And as you can see, if you saw my last sofa and coffee table, that things have been changed up here also. So we all blend in together. See if I can get a shot of the mantle. And yes. Be blessed.